Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we start off today's video with a hair color transformation. Wow, beautiful rosy pink color. Absolutely stunning transformation. So if you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, so if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like we have another hair color transformation. Wow, beautiful platinum lob haircut. This is absolutely stunning. Next up, looks like we have a haircut change. Stylist is mixing in some curtain bangs. Gorgeous. It looks like he cut the hair into a lob, did a few layers, and fringe style bangs. Beautiful. Looks like we may have a pixie haircut transformation. Wow. It did end up getting more of like a pixie style haircut. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a bit of a big chop transformation. Looks like the stylist is cutting off the relaxer. Yes, love it. So she ended up getting like the tapered cut. And it looks like we have another hair color transformation for the next style. Beautiful blonde. Gorgeous lob haircut. Love the texture that the stylist added with the curls. Looks like another long to short transformation. The stylist looks like she likes to have a lot of fun. Her hair is blue, her lipstick is blue. I love it. So she ended up getting a gorgeous asymmetrical style choppy pixie. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful rose bob haircut. Absolutely stunning color. Alright you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.